Hi everyone, welcome to another MOC. In this MOC, we will talk about where the 5 girls first met up with Jasmine. A few years ago, all 5 girls had different hairstyles. They continued on a journey to meet up with a Disney princess named Jasmine. When they met up with Jasmine, they also saw Jasmine's pet tiger named Raja. Jasmine was happy to see the girls. She let the girls see a genie come out from a lamp. That event happened a few years ago. Thank you for watching this MOC. I will put out a link in the description for a full playlist of the first season of Zachary's Lego Club. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to see more videos. Also, please share my content to your friends and family because I need more support. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.